In this video, we'll learn how to work with shapes in Microsoft Word Online.
Before we begin, let's understand why shapes are useful. Shapes help highlight important information, create simple diagrams, and make documents easier to understand without relying only on text. I already have the sample document open. I'll place the cursor below the heading Key Features of Word where I want to insert a shape. Now go to the Insert tab. Click Drawing. The drawing window opens. From the Insert tab inside the drawing window, click Shapes. A gallery of different shapes appears, including rectangles, circles, arrows, stars, and many more. Let's select a rounded rectangle. Now, click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape. The shape is added with the default color provided by Microsoft Word. Next, click Text Box. Draw a text box inside the shape. Type capital. Quick tip: if needed, resize the text box so it fits neatly inside the shape. Now, let's customize the shape. Switch to the Draw tab. Here you'll find different pen colors and drawing tools. You can use these tools to draw freehand annotations or highlight parts of your diagram. For example, I'll choose a blue pen and draw a simple underline beneath the text. Now, let's move the shape.
Click the shape and drag it to a better position on the canvas. If you want to make it larger or smaller, drag one of the corner handles. You can also insert additional shapes. Go back to Insert. Open Shapes again. This time, select an arrow. Draw the arrow so it points toward the quick tip box. Using different shapes together helps create simple flow diagrams, callouts, and visual explanations. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Close. The drawing is inserted into the document. If you need to make changes later, simply select the drawing and choose Edit to reopen the drawing canvas. Shapes are useful for highlighting important notes, creating process diagrams, explaining workflows, and making documents more visually appealing.
Let's add an important note to the document beside the text. First, I'll create the note using a shape. Go to the Insert tab and click Drawing. Inside the drawing window, go to Insert and select Shapes. From the gallery, let's choose a rounded rectangle. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape. The shape is added with the default color provided by Microsoft. Now let's customize it with our own color. Select the rectangle and choose a suitable fill color from the shape formatting options. I'll choose a light color that complements the document. Now I'll add the text inside the shape. Click Text Box, draw a text box inside the shape, and type Important Note. Use Word's formatting and review tools to keep your document clear, consistent, and professional. I'll resize the text box so the text fits neatly inside the shape. Now that our important note is ready, let's place it beside the paragraph. Click Save and Close to insert the drawing into the document. To keep the paragraph and the shape properly aligned, let's use a table. Go to Insert and select Table. Insert a one-row, two-column table. I'll add the related paragraph in the first column. Now I'll place the shape we just created in the second column. Let's adjust the table by resizing the columns so the paragraph has enough space and the shape fits neatly beside it. Finally, I'll remove the table borders so they are not visible. Now the paragraph stays on the left, while our important note appears neatly on the right. This gives us a clean way to combine text and shapes without disturbing the document layout. And that's how you can use shapes along with simple table layouts to highlight important information and create a more organized document in Word Online.
If you want to learn more about working with tables, stay tuned for our upcoming video on creating tables in Word.
If you want to learn the complete Microsoft Word course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.